Welcome to Programming and Problem Solving. This is Rishikesh. Today we are moving towards the last part of our second unit, that is dictionary in Python. So let us understand the dictionaries in Python. So what is dictionary in Python? Dictionary is unordered collection of items in the Python. The items that are present in the dictionary are in the form of key value pair. So each item will have its own key and then its value, and the key value pair will be separated with the colon. Now if key or value is string, then as usually we encode those values, and we separate each value in the dictionary, each item in the dictionary, with the comma. Our dictionary is enclosed within curly braces, and as any other identifier, we give that dictionary a name, and then we assign whatever the value we have in the dictionary. So in this video we are going to see how we can create our dictionary, then how we can retrieve data from dictionary, then we will add data in dictionary. Dictionary is mutable, so we can add data to dictionary, we can remove data from the dictionary, we can update our dictionary, and at the last we can check the length of dictionary using the length function. So let us see one by one how we can do these all operations on dictionary. So first thing first, we are going to create our dictionary. So I have created here a dictionary. Name of dictionary is D. Then I am just assigning the value and I am manually creating this dictionary. Now the second way of creating a dictionary is using the dict function. Let us say we have another dictionary that is D1, and using dict function, what I can do, I can pass whatever the values I want to create in that dictionary. So in D1 I want these values, so I am just passing these values inside this dict function. So now our dictionary can be created using this dict function. So these are two different methods. Now we will go with our first method, that is D is equal to 0 1 2, and then all our values in the dictionary. Now the next part is how we can access our values. So if we want to access our value, let us say we want to access the value at key 1. So how we can do that? Let us print that value. So I can say that D, then in D square brackets, and in square brackets we can have our key. So which value we want, we give that key, so we can get that value which is assigned for that particular key. So here I want the value blue and the key is 1, so I'm just giving key 1. Okay, so this is how we can access our particular value. So we are getting blue here. Now if I want to access whole dictionary, then how I can do that? I can use a for loop. So for, let us say, item, anything you can name this identifier, I am giving the name item. For item in D, so D is our dictionary. What I want to do, I want to print the item. Okay, so item. Now one thing here to notice is that now the item is referring each key in the dictionary. So item is, for first iteration item is 0, then for second iteration item is 1, then for third iteration item is 2. So item is referring to the key in the dictionary. So I want to print first the key, that is item, then I want the value which is which belongs to that particular key. So how we can do that? We have done this here. Okay, so using D of 1 we were getting blue. So what I can do here, I can simply say D, and then inside square brackets I can give the key, that is item. So first print the item, then give that value which belongs to that particular item. So using this simple for loop, we can print our all the values in our dictionary. Let us save this and run this. So we are getting 0 red, 1 blue, 2 green. So this is how we can access all the values using the for loop. Now the next point is how we can add the new value to the dictionary, because dictionary is mutable. So we can change the dictionary, we can add new values to the dictionary. So how we can do that? So let us say first we have 0 1 2 in our dictionary. Now we want to assign new value. let us say we want to assign purple color. So how we can do that? So we can say d of 3 or 4, whatever the key you want to give. You can give any key you want. So I am giving here 3 as a key. Then d of 3, I want that value to be purple. So now at third key in our dictionary, the value purple is assigned. We can check that if we print our d, then let us see what we are getting. Okay, so we are now getting purple for the third key. So this is how we can add the value. Now the next point is removing item from the dictionary. So how we can remove? Now we have added purple, but let us say we want to remove blue now. So how we can do that? So for that purpose, we are going to use a del keyword. Using del keyword, I can say del, then dictionary name, that is d, and then the value that I want to delete. So I want to delete blue, so I can give the key 1. Okay, so delete the value which has key 1. Okay, so the simple meaning. Then I can print again the dictionary, save this and run this. So now we are getting 0 red, then 2 adds green. So now we have deleted our blue here. This is deleting. Let us say we want to update the value. Then how we can do that? Very simple. First we have to access the value that we want to update. Let us say uh, now I want to update green. So how we can do that? Let us access the value first. So using key 2 we can access green. So now instead of green I want that value purple. Okay, now we are updating our dictionary and then printing updated dictionary. So we have now purple instead of green for the second key. So this is updating. Now the last point is checking the length of the dictionary. So we have done this multiple times. So using length function we can get the length of dictionary. So I can simply print out that length using print function, then length, and then we are passing our dictionary. Let us run this. Okay, so we are getting 3 because our dictionary has 3 items. So these are some of the basic CRUD functionalities that we can perform on our dictionary, that is creating a dictionary, retrieving the data, then updating our dictionary, and then removing the items from the dictionary. And at the last we saw how we can get the length of the dictionary. In the next section we will see some of the methods which helps us to perform much more complicated operations on our dictionaries. Thank you.